Hi and welcome to Wafter.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find uninstalled apps on your iPhone. Open your App Store app and then click on the icon at the top right corner. So this will take you to your profile, and there you can see purchased option. So this is not just the location where you have all the list of apps that you have purchased, but you can also find all the free apps that you have installed ever since you started using this Apple account. So this is ordered based on your recent app installs. So you can see all the installed and uninstalled apps here. So you can also see the dates just below the app name. So that's when you have installed this app, and you can scroll to the bottom to see the first app that you have installed on this phone. So yeah, that's it. This is how you find your uninstalled apps on iPhones. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Wafter.com.